In this video, I've shown you guys how you run your code on your Spck editor after writing it, so you get to know how your code is going to work and everything. So you can see this is my Spck editor. I've written some HTML and JavaScript, a lot of them, a lot, even React. I've written them here. So now let's try to run it and see how it's going to work. It's going to be error. You can see it's almost 900 line of code. So, I mean, it's a mixture. So you tap on this here. Let me come back. Sorry, I had to, let you guys, you can see the search button there. When you are watching your screen, I think it's your right, yeah, top right. Tap on the green button there. It's going to run it for you. Good. So now this is, I think a form I created on my page. So I think this form is going to work. It's going to work, separately. You can see localhost is saying this, and this is also a different code for temperature conversion. Let me tap on the convert. I think I edited the code, so this is not going to work. And this is also something I did. I don't know what is going to pop up after that. I don't know that. And this is also a simple calculator I did. No, sorry. Second number, and this is first number. I don't know if the calculator is also going to work. Yeah, so that one too is not working. And then creating an account and resetting a form. Okay, so that's it. And the rest is a mixture of codes that it's not going to work. HTML, JavaScript, React, it's mixture, it's not going to work. So that's it on how you can run your code you've written on your Spck editor to see whether it's going to work or not. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.